Kashmir, the crown of India. There are scores of developmental agencies in the state, and the one which in a short span of time has made big strides is IRA. The JK IRA started its activities in the year 2005 on ground after the sanction of Asian Development Bank or ADB loan number 1 for rupees 1,611 crores for the infrastructure project, namely multi-sector project for infrastructure rehabilitation, and subsequently Asian Development Bank ADB loan number 2 was sanctioned with a cost of rupees 1,694 crores under Jammu and Kashmir Urban Sector Development Investment Program. With an objective to decongest and streamline the traffic movement in Jammu city, IRA completed a 4-lane flyover from Bikram Chowk to Government Women College, Gandhinagar, having a length of 1.3 kilometers, with road widening from 6-lane to 8-lane under flyover for a length of 1.5 kilometers. The project has been completed with a cost of 81.35 crore rupees. Similarly, in Srinagar city, JK IRA has completed work on construction of prestigious Jahangir Chowk Rambagh flyover in August 2019. The completion of the JCRB flyover has provided a much-needed relief to the commuters travelling to and fro on the Jahangir Chowk Rambagh portion leading to the Srinagar International Airport, which earlier used to take between 25 to 40 minutes, has now been reduced to 3 to 4 minutes. For the rehabilitation of 285 affected people, 2 mega rehabilitation complexes have been constructed at the Jahangir Chowk and Rambagh respectively. Another significant project in the Srinagar city is the construction of grade separator at TRC. IRA completed an ambitious project in the busiest and commercial part of Jammu city. A 7-storied car parking complex was raised at an estimated cost of rupees 47.10 crore. This state-of-the-art complex has a capacity of 352 light motor vehicles and 164 two-wheelers. Similarly, in Srinagar city also, such type of modern parking facility has been provided. The sub-project has been completed at a cost of rupees 27.15 crore. IRA has installed a sewerage network along with appurtenant works for a length of about 237 kilometers, including 34,200 sewer house connections, and also constructed a state-of-the-art 30 million litres per day capacity sewage treatment plant at Bhagwati Nagar, Jammu. The plant has been constructed with MBBR technology and has 8-number major tanks including the screens, distribution tank, MBBR tanks, chlorination tanks, etc. This whole sewerage project has been completed at a cost of 194 crore rupees. Works executed in the water supply sector includes construction of 73 new tube wells in Jammu with a generation capacity of 143 million litres per day to provide piped safe drinking water to more than 1.5 million people in Jammu and Srinagar. Revamping of 5 water treatment plants at Rangil, Nishat, Alstang, Pokharibal and Doodh Ganga at Srinagar as taken up. The project involved replacement of worn-out mechanical components of water treatment plants, air blowers, flash mixers, chlorination system, gas stoners, etc., and replacement of electrical components, motors, DG sets, cable LT, stabilizers, etc. Construction of new overhead water storage tanks constructed by IRA has become a boon in solving the burning problem of water scarcity to a large extent. IRA has completed an intake structure at Boria near Har Ki Pauri at the bank of Tavi. having a capacity of 18 lakh gallons per day. J&K IRA has executed the construction of mega storm water drainage sub-projects in the low-lying areas of Srinagar city along both the sides of National Highway bypass. In Jammu, the rehabilitation and channelization of various nalas or storm water drains have been executed for a length of 66.50 kilometers. This has also resulted in reclamation of land along the Nala banks, which are being developed as green belts by way of plantation for improvement of environment in different areas. The construction of 25 number bridges in different parts of the state is yet another milestone in the developmental journey of IRA. The construction of bridges like Saidpura Bridge, Mehjur Bridge and bridges on Ramnagar Road have helped to strengthen the connectivity of hundreds of villages, especially during rainy season. Roads are considered as lifeline of development. Some of the vital road lengths completed by JK IRA are Natipura Newa Pulwama Road, Lethpura Pantha Chowk Loop, Humhama Badgam Arizal Road, Kazigund Kulgam Road, Sangrama Sopor Kulangam Road, Kralgund Ashpora Road, Bari Brahmana Vishna Road, etc. JK IRA has successfully upgraded or strengthened the 40 major roads spread across the state, including Leh and Kargil districts, and more than 600 kilometers of road length has been constructed. Municipal sanitary landfill site is spread over an area of more than 600 canals, and JK IRA took up a comprehensive project for converting the landfill site to a scientific landfill site. IRA has supplied various types of equipment to JMC, SMC and PHE department with Asian Development Bank funding. These equipment include water tankers, garbage carriers, loaders, containers, and sewage cleaning equipments. IRA has to its credit many more developmental projects, but worthwhile to mention that it never compromised with its quality and quantitative procedural principles. IRA has tried its level best to make Jammu and Kashmir feel pride and also the general public to make merry.